this specific HighLevel account, this specific HighLevel user, one thing that he's been doing a lot of lately, he is a lead gen client of ours. And so he's constantly testing new ways to engage with leads, new ways to be successful with converting internet leads. And so one of the things that he started to see a lot of success with, surprisingly, in my opinion, is voicemail drops, bringing voicemail drops back. So apparently that, you know, the wave that was kind of created of people that were using voicemail drops, and we saw kind of a like crappy engagement from voicemail drops for a little bit. He's using them selectively and having a lot of success with them. So he has specific automations to identify which ones he wants to drop voicemail drops in. Sometimes he'll do custom ones where he actually customizes and addresses the lead by name. So that would be like a higher, you know, somebody that has a higher probability of closing, somebody that self-reports that they have a high credit score, a lot of money, etc. And so one thing that he started to level up with, and one thing that he's doing to increase his effectiveness even more beyond those voicemail drops, is now he's incorporating video into it as well. In the group a week, 2 weeks ago, maybe I released a video. Yeah, I think it was about 2 weeks ago. I released a video about sending videos in HighLevel. And you know what? Let me stop sharing my screen here. I didn't realize I'm still sharing. So I released a video about sharing videos in HighLevel. If you guys haven't seen that, check it out. I'll drop it in the chat right now. A link to the video. So like I said, HighLevel. Okay. That's one of the mobile apps. And then the other one is Lead Connector. They swear that there's no difference in like the production releases for these two. It's just one is so that agencies can try and hide that they're using HighLevel, and one is the other. We use Lead Connector. At one point, there was a difference in the apps, and there was a difference in like how quickly one got releases versus the other. And I think that's why we ended up using Lead Connector. But it's the same shit. Lead Connector, HighLevel, it's the same app. This is the easiest way to send videos, even if you want to pre-program those videos into your automated follow-up campaign. So if you're like, you want to send a video to every new lead that an agent refers to you, right? You send an agent a link to your form that has like name, email address, phone number, and urgency or something like that, right? And say, hey, any referral you have, just send them through here. And depending on the urgency, we'll take the appropriate action. And one of those actions can be an autoresponder with a video in it. If you want to do that, it's actually kind of a pain in the ass to like do it from your desktop and attach a video from the desktop. However, if you come in here and you send a text message to yourself, so you would go new message. Oh, see, I wish I should be on Zoom so that you guys could see that. New message, right? So we're in here. I'll figure out how to do this better next time. But I'm in here, I'm in chats. I'm going to start a new message. It's that like glowing white button that you can't really see exactly what it is. That's a plus. So new message right there. Choose the name of your contact, or just put your phone number in there, right? Just type a phone number in there. Record your video from the app. So let me see, 9716, create new contact. Boom. I don't even have to associate a name with it if I don't want to. Okay, then you're going to hit the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. And that's what gives you camera, video, photos and videos, template, request payment. Again, kind of useless for loan officers, but I guess cool. I mean, I suppose you guys could probably collect payments for appraisals and shit like this. But anyways, you can send files, but video is what we want to do. And video is going to allow you, okay, to just record a video. So I'm going to record. We'll do a little video inception. There's Mike. Say what's up, Mike. Hey. Okay. Record a video. Use video. Okay. I'm going to send this to myself, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Maybe. I don't have a phone number set up in this account, so I don't know how this is going to work. Or maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to work. I think I just tried to send that from an account that I definitely don't have a phone number for. Oh, yeah. See, it says not delivered, but you can see what it looks like. Okay. So this is why we like this, is because it comes over. You can change. This says, I recorded a quick video, click to play. I know it's blurry. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I wasn't better prepared for this, but you guys can get the point from this. Okay. You can change what that text says. That link and this picture is what you want. And you might not even want this picture. This picture is a preview that automatically gets generated. But here's the thing. You guys can customize your own picture and create like a thumbnail, almost like a YouTube thumbnail, some sort of call to action says, welcome or great to meet you, right? And text on that thumbnail. And you guys can take the link that is generated from this and you can copy and paste that link into any one of your automated campaigns for the easiest, like smoothest video experience. It's like BombBomb basically, right? Boom. There it is right there. So this is like a hidden nugget, a hidden golden nugget when it comes to HighLevel. Crazy that I didn't know that we could do this until like a week ago, but we can do this, right? And so you're gonna see that like with our follow-up campaigns, with our core clients, our clients that are using our lead generation system, you're gonna see us adopt this for those that are willing to get on video. We'll help them design a thumbnail so that this looks nice and pretty. And every first message that they send out to a lead is going to be like, hey, I'm Michael. I'm with Idaho Mortgage Source. I'm a real person. I'd love to work with you, as opposed to the same shit canned text messages that everybody else is sending.